Imagine waking up in the morning and checking your wallet, checking your crypto wallet and finding out there's nothing. There's nothing there. All your crypto and your assets have been wiped out. How? What happened? You've been hacked. How? Who's the culprit? Well, that's malware. Malware is the culprit, and the sad thing is many crypto investors face this reality every single day, all too often. It's malware is the culprit, and if you're just using MetaMask or Ravi Wallet and your private key is sitting there in your browser, man, it's not about a matter of if, it's a matter of when something is going to happen. So malware protection is so key in crypto, so very important, and that's what we're going to talk about here today is malware protection. Here's why malware protection is your first line of defense. Yeah, you heard right. We're talking about those sneaky little gremlins lurking in the digital world, just waiting to snatch your precious crypto. Now, I know what you're thinking. I'm careful online. I don't need to worry about malware, but trust me, even the savviest crypto enthusiasts can fall victim to these digital nasties. They're getting more sophisticated by the day, but don't fret. That's why we're going to arm you with the knowledge and tools to protect yourself. We'll be covering everything from phishing attacks to cryptojacking, breaking down each type of malware, and giving you practical tips to stay safe. Okay, very quickly, I need to mention here, if you're ready to get serious about investing in crypto and want more on how to master the crypto space, check out the link in the description to learn about my comprehensive crypto investing course, The Ultimate Crypto Blueprint. Okay, let's continue. Buckle up, grab your hard hats, and let's get this malware busting party started. First up, we've got phishing attacks. Imagine this, you receive an email that looks exactly like it's from your crypto exchange. It's got their logo, their branding, it even smells like, like their customer service department. Okay, maybe not that last one, but here's the catch, it's a fake. These sneaky scammers are trying to trick you into clicking a dodgy link that takes you to their phony website. And what do they want? Your login credentials, of course. So how do you avoid getting hooked? First off, always double check the website URL. Look for the little padlock icon and HTTPS in the address bar. And never, ever click on links from unknown sources. Remember, if it smells fishy, it probably is. Stay vigilant, my friends. Next up, we're tackling keyloggers. Now, these little devils are sneaky. They're like digital spies, secretly recording every keystroke you make, including your precious crypto passwords. You might accidentally download a keylogger through a dodgy email attachment or by installing software from an untrusted source. It's like inviting a vampire into your house. You're just asking for trouble. So how do you keep these keystroke kleptomaniacs at bay? First and foremost, be extremely cautious about what you download. Stick to reputable sources and always scan files with your antivirus software. And while we're on the topic of antivirus, make sure it's always up to date. Think of it like changing the oil in your car. It needs regular maintenance to run smoothly. Now let's talk about ransomware. This nasty piece of malware is like the digital equivalent of a hostage situation. It sneaks onto your device, encrypts all your important files, and then demands a ransom, usually in cryptocurrency, to unlock them. It's like waking up to find your computer wrapped in chains and a note demanding Bitcoin. Talk about a nightmare. The best defense against ransomware is a good offense. Regularly back up your important files to an external hard drive or cloud storage. That way, even if the worst happens, you won't be held hostage by these digital extortionists. And remember, just like with keyloggers, be wary of suspicious links and downloads. You never know what kind of digital nasties are lurking on the other side. Next up, we've got Trojan Horses. Don't let the name fool you. These ain't your majestic steeds from Greek mythology. These Trojan Horses are malware disguised as legitimate software. They might come in the form of a game, a useful looking app, or even a pirated software crack. You think you're getting a sweet deal, but in reality, you're inviting a whole heap of trouble into your digital fortress. Once inside, these Trojan horses can wreak havoc, stealing your data, spying on your activity, and even turning your computer into a zombie botnet. So, how do you avoid these digital imposters? Simple. Only download software from trusted official sources. Don't be tempted by those too good to be true offers. They usually are. Now, let's talk about clipboard hijackers. These sneaky little devils target your clipboard, that temporary storage space where you copy and paste text. Sounds harmless, right? Wrong. Imagine this. You're about to send some crypto to a friend. You carefully copy their wallet address, paste it into your wallet app, and hit send. But unbeknownst to you, a clipboard hijacker has swapped your friend's address with one belonging to the attacker. Just like that, your crypto is gone. So, how do you protect yourself? It's simple. Always double check the wallet address before sending any funds. Make sure it matches your intended recipient's address exactly. Remember, in the world of crypto, vigilance is key. Next, we're tackling cryptojacking. This type of malware uses your device's processing power to mine cryptocurrency for someone else. It's like someone secretly hooked up a crypto mining rig to your computer and is using your electricity to fuel their profits. You might notice your computer running slower than usual, or your fan constantly whirring like a jet engine. That's because crypto mining is a resource-intensive process, and these digital parasites are putting your system through the ringer. So, how do you stop these crypto-stealing squatters? First, install security software that can detect and block cryptojacking attempts. And just like with other types of malware, be cautious about the websites you visit. Remember, if a website seems sketchy or too good to be true, it probably is. Finally, we're exposing those phony wallet apps and extensions. These digital doppelgangers are designed to look like the real deal, but they're actually traps set by scammers to steal your crypto. Imagine downloading a wallet app from the App Store, thinking it's legit. You transfer your crypto to it, only to find out later that the app is a fake and your funds are gone. Talk about a gut punch. So, how do you avoid these digital imposters? Always download wallets from official websites or app stores and double check the developer's name to ensure it's the real deal. Remember, when it comes to your crypto, it's always better to be safe than sorry. So there you have it, guys. Protecting yourself from malware is essential, especially in the crypto world. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding the different types of malware and how to prevent them, you can keep your digital assets safe and sound. And for an extra layer of security, consider using Malwarebytes. It's a top-notch tool that offers real-time protection, malware removal, and much more. It's like having your own personal bodyguard for your computer. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, if you did find value in this content, smash that like button, drop me a comment, and if you're not yet subscribed, well then, click subscribe and hit the notification bell.